After you put the SD card into ROG Ally, but nothing would show up under my PC. So here is the fix. First, go to Windows search bar and type in disk. You will see Create and Format Hard Disk Partition show up as the best match. So click and open this up. From this window, you will be able to see your removable device from the bottom area, which is your SD card. So long press on this white bar and select Delete Volume. Then click Yes. Wait for 3 seconds. Then long press the white bar again. And select New Simple Volume. Then just follow the process and make sure you select NTFS on this page for the file system. Then just click Next to finish up this process. Now we can close this window. Now if we go to my PC, we will see the SD card show up here. Then double click on it and click Format Disk. Make sure the file system is NTFS and the format option is Quick Format. Then click Start to process. After this, your SD card should be read by ROG Ally. This fix can be applied to USB flash drive and external hard drive as well.